Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I completely renovated a tri-level townhouse, how I started with the loft first, creating more of a private room feel by adding shutters to the open wall, which created a now optional opening. I added a door as well. I took beautiful fabric and created a more comfy bench seats and added lighting to the room using a swag light kits. How I also renovated the kitchen, before and after photos, how I renovated the bathrooms, and I'm going to show you all of these different areas. I will do a walkthrough tour as well, so if you're in the process of trying to upgrade your home or maximize small spaces, I'd recommend you watch this video to the end. Hey guys, it's Treena Marie. I just wanted to share with you a few different things. If you have a loft bedroom, you want a creative idea on how to keep the room open, I installed shutters in the open space of the loft bedroom. I also installed a door. If you have no electricity, you can install a swag light kit. See there? It's a track lighting system. It's a swag light, and you run the electric there, you plug it in. This was a really cool concept. Kept the space open. So these are the shutters. And actually, I got these from Habitat of Humanity. So I didn't even pay much to give this custom look in this loft bedroom. I also created a faux brick wall, a rustic look. This is paneling I use. You can use it when you have a small business, clothing line, or if you just like that rustic look in a loft style bedroom with a brick wall. See there? I did a waterproof flooring. Made a seat cushion here for the bench window seat. Real nice foam pickup here in downtown LA. Here at the top of the staircase, because I created a roommate floor plan. This is the kitchen, and everything's on the second floor. Here's a locking mechanism so you can feel comfortable if you have someone in the house, if you Airbnb. So I redid this as well. Custom, even had to cut we built out that area right here above the staircase. Recessed lighting, put in a range hood. It was some old ugly cabinets. These cabinets I refinished and changed the hardware. Installed countertops, custom sink. This is a chef-inspired kitchen that I redid. And a cool refrigerator I installed. I love LG products, LG Studio products. Custom window treatments, blinds. Redid the fireplace with like a, I think it's a marble stone. And I just used the same exact stone on the flooring, which gave the space more square footage. Before it had like a step up. So now you can put a TV stand in that place and slide it all the way over. I removed the window seats. So this was a full, installed a new ceiling fan. Little pop of color, goes a long way. I installed the texture, that's the board at the bottom here at the breakfast bar. And like I said, it was just a complete rehab. Remotes for the ceiling fan and lighting. It's the attic area. Laundry room. Made it really nice. Matching pair. As you can see, I love LG products. Shout out to LG. Life's good. New carpet. Redid the bathrooms. I gutted the bathrooms completely. New toilets, bathtub, rain shower, a corner sink, which gives you more square footage. You wanna, when you have a small space, you wanna add like a corner sink, excuse me. Expands the square footage. The balcony, I installed ceiling fans, custom lighting, mounted. Redid the little vanity area here. Installed a mirror that swings outward, new lighting. I even redid, I installed crown molding in this place. This is a second floor bedroom. I utilized the space here, did a built-in bookshelf. I installed that there. This room was a complete rehab. I installed a counter, so a roommate's floor plan, custom blind and shades, lighting. Brand new shower door here, rain shower. This bathroom was really bad. It was just a corner. This bathroom was very bad. It was just a corner shower. New toilet, vanity, lighting. Complete rehab.